Hello guys, as you can see we have our Android studio here. So in this video we will design our recycler view. You can see the layout section here, our activity main layout file. Inside the layout we have our linear layout, and inside the linear layout we have our recycler view, right? So we are going to design this recycler view. So for the recycler view we have views, right, which we need to populate inside our recycler view. You can see we have this view. Inside this view we have two coordinate layouts which are both wrap content. Okay, and this one is width is match parent and height will be wrap content for both. Okay, so before we just add this, we need to just, for now, not for permanent, for now we just define a little bit of height like 200 dp, and add a background color, and color background color, not color, background like black, not black, we will change it here. Okay, let it be purple, and we'll add a margin of like 5 dp. Now we are adding this because as we populate our recycler view, it should be visible in our recycler view. That's why I'm just adding this. the, uh, so why I am adding this, as you can see we have our two things here, our background and in margin here, and I am adding this because as we populate this view inside our recycler view, we should be able to see this, right? So we have this thing ready, and we will handle this text views later on, not now, as we generate result and query our like Gemini API and get the response from there. I will populate into that, but now we have our recycler view. We will give it a ID, and will ID of like main recycler view. Right, we have given the ID, I think. Okay, it's taken. We'll go to main activity. Okay, we have our methods here for generation of the response. Now we click on like our main package and click on new, and we'll build everything inside like a directory. So we add a package, right? We add a package, and the package name will give, I will give it to like uh, recycler adapters. Okay, click on it, click OK, enter, and you can see we have now our Android adapters package, and inside the adapters we are going to create a Kotlin class, and this class will be adapter for our main recycler view. Then I will name it as main recycler adapter, and click enter. And we have our class here, and inside this class we will be passing means we will be referencing as main recycler adapter. Recycler view is of type recycler view. Okay, we have adapter option here directly. I think recycler view dot adapter is not taking, so we have here we have adapter option, which is like Android X recycler widget recycler view, and we just click on it, and we need to pass the adapter, right? So in the, as we haven't created our view holder for our like recycler view, we need to create it. We will create that in this file only. So we'll create a class with a name of like main recycler view holder vh, and give it like open it like this, and inside our view holder we'll give it a type of like view holder, recycler view, recycler view, RecyclerView dot view holder. Okay, we need to enter it. Hit enter. Dot view holder. Right. So it need to import something. Just import add constructor parameter, and it added a constructor parameter as item view, right? And inside this we need to just initialize it. Okay, now inside that we need to mention the things we have in the adapter, like our text view and our coordinate view. We did not need to mention the coordinate view because that is not going, we are not going to change out this one. We just want to add the two of text to our client and response. So we need to add to text view here. So we need to add a text view. Our client text is of text view, and it will not it will be like let init var or okay, let init var text view, right? Enter it. And also we need to define the response text inside a text view, right? We have successfully defined these two. Now we need to initialize these two. So will be client text will be equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot would be our like for the client we have like client text as our id, and response we have response text as id. So we'll r dot id dot client, sorry, r is not imported now. Enter r dot id dot client text. And for the like response text we need to enter our response id for it. Find view by id r dot id dot response text. That's it. So we have successfully made our like view holder. So we'll pass this view holder here. So it will be like main recycler view holder automatically down. And I think we need to do not to pass. Okay, this we need to invoke it also. So just add these two brackets, and it's automatically invoked. Now we need to import the like few parameters of this class. So we'll click on enter and implement members and select all three and click on OK. Now here we can see the three things we have: on bind view holder, on get item count, on create view holder, right? So this function will be called when the view holder is created, and this function will return the value, means how many numbers of the items are there. And on bind view holder, when the view holder is bind with the like actual view, like our view in recycler, like this thing, and that function will be invoked in this function, right? So for our demo purpose, we are get item count, will return it like okay, we return a value of like 10 for now because we want 10 list here. And on create view holder we need to return a view, right? So first we need to create a view from referencing this view in recycler. So well, view is equals to mview, sorry, not view, mview will take it. Mview is equals to layout inflator dot inflate dot from. Okay, we need to pass on the context. So do we have the parent view group, view group? Okay, we have parent as parameter, parent dot context dot inflate. We need to pass the resource now. View in recycler r dot id dot view dot recycler r dot id dot view. Okay, view in recycler view in, okay, r dot not id. We need to pass the layout. Sorry, here we need to pass the layout. So not id, we need to pass the layout here. Dot view in recycler. Okay, dot inflate. Okay, what? Okay, we need to pass on two more parameter, which is view group and boolean. So view group will be like parent, and we need to attach to root, which will be false, because we don't want to like attach to root directly. And we have our view defined, will return it, return the m view here, right? Okay, we saw. Okay, we need to pass the view holder, not this one. So instead of a direct m view, we need to pass the main recycler view holder, and in item view we'll pass m view, right? So here we have successfully designed our like adapter now, and if nothing wrong, we should be able to see like 10 items listing this. So before running into that, we need to first attach this adapter to our recycler view, and before attaching we need to first get reference to our recycler view, right? So we have our id to our recycler view as like main recycler view. So first reference that here, first or latent var main recycler, which type recycler view. Okay, and we need to reference that here, main recycler is equals to find view by id and dot id dot main recycler view. So we have successfully got our recycler view here. Now we can do that in like different thing, but for now I'm just doing it for here for our demo, because we are going to change all this and set up like a proper sequence of the thing. So for now, we are for the testing our adapter, we are just setting as the main recycler dot adapter is equals to our like main recycler adapter. Okay, we need to pass few things, I think. Okay, we need to call that method. I think we need to just test this once. Let's run this app and see if we get anything, get any error. So Gradle base is running. I'm waiting. So still Gradle build is running. I'm waiting to see if everything is okay. And okay, Gradle build is finished. Terminating the app and launching on the devices. Okay. So app is about to launch. And here it's launched. Okay, you can see that like we have our like everything here, but okay, it's went down. Let's start up again. And here we have our application. Let's starting. Okay, let's see if there is something wrong in the log. I think nothing is wrong, right? Okay, we got our view, but like we don't have anything in the recycler view. let's check if we need to like start set this like. So we need to first the linear layout manager for our recycler view. We forgot that main recycler dot layout manager is equal to linear layout manager, right? Okay, we need to pass this and let's rerun it and check if we get any response. Now we should be able to see this kind of blocks. Install is finished, it's launching, and here we have our like recycler view populated. So nothing is visible here because we have not like set up anything, we haven't set up any text, but we have a working recycler view in this section you can see. So that's all for this video. Hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, please support and subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much.